Hi, my name is Ryan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some shortcuts for finding x. So these are mainly special cases. If it's not like maybe either of these two or maybe a few others, you'll probably have to either do the 5-step method or the quadratic formula. So let's just get ahead and do some of these. So we got x squared plus 3x equals 0. So I guess what you normally could do is you could plug it in the quadratic formula and just set c equal to 0. Or what you could do is you could factor out an x, and that'll leave you with x plus 3 equals 0. Then you just set both of them equal to 0. So x equals 0, x plus 3 equals to 0. And there you have it. So you have x equals 0 and negative 3. So that was kind of a little simple, a little bit of a shortcut there. Not too crazy. But this next one, I like this one a little bit better because it kind of saves you a little bit of time. So normally what you do is you have x squared minus 4. So you're like, okay, well, here's what I have to do. I'm going to have to look for it. So we got x, and then you're like, okay, well, let's see, probably a negative and a positive since they go in, and then if it equals 0, so x equals 2 and negative 2. Or what you could have done, it's a little bit of a shortcut. So you know that you have this right here. So what you do is x squared equals 4. So I added 4 on both sides. And then all I do is square root it. That'll give you x equals plus or minus 2. So x equals negative 2 and 2. Kind of a cool little shortcut there. Another one would be kind of the other way, x squared plus 4. So normally what you'd have to do is you'd have to plug this in the quadratic formula because you know you can't factor it, and you're thinking, well, it's probably going to be like a negative and stuff like that, so you know you have to do a quadratic. But if you do the same case and you subtract and do square root, you get x equals plus or minus, well, you get x equals plus or minus, and you know 2 times 2 is equal to, or 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so you know 2 can get out of there, but then you're like, what do I do with that negative? Well, if it's a negative, you know you can make it an I, which is basically an unknown, so this is an imaginary number, but it'll still get you the answer. So let's just go ahead and factor this one out using the quadratic formula. So negative b, so that's 0, plus or minus square root of 0 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So 2 times 1. So that'll give us square root of negative 16 over 2. And that'll get us, negative, so 4I over 2, or plus or minus, got to keep that plus or minus sign there, my apologies, plus or minus 2I. So kind of cool that just saved you a little bit of time there instead of doing this whole quadratic formula to solve that answer. Just a little bit of a time saving there. Just thought this little video would help. Definitely helped me. I kind of figured it out on my own. Nobody really ever taught me this, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay loving math, you know? Stay loving math. I'll see you in the next video.